What is bioremediation? This process can occur in soil, surface water, and groundwater. In this journal, it refers to site contaminated with petroleum hydrocarbons. PAH is also known as polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon. Anthropogenic can cause by accidental spillage and intentional dumping. Biogenic are produced from a variety of terrestrial plants and aquatic algae. Geochemical is organic substances exposed to high temperature. The compounds are more stable than their precursors. Usually, PAH contaminate the soil and strongly absorb to soil particle. Studies have shown that the PAH was susceptible to biodegradation and they can remain for several years. Although the contaminated areas are small, but PAH concentration can be high with other types of hydrocarbons and heavy metals. In Malaysia, PAH distribution were investigated in surface sediment from Port Dickson, Malaysia. With total of PAH recorded, it can be classified as moderate level of pollution. Next, the objective of this journal was to observe the efficiency of bioremediation on PAH contamination. Moving on to the method, conventional method is not used because it is failed to meet health-based cleanup goals. But in bioremediation, less stringent cleanup standards was applied and it is more efficient and effective. There are 3 stages: the solid phase, bioreactor operation, and in situ bioremediation. For the results, without microbial inoculum in the soil, it shows low degradation of PAH. However, the rate of PAH degradation increases as microbes are inoculated into the soil. This study has also indicated that soil pH 7.5 is favorable for mixed bacterial population, which resulted in greater biodegradation, while pH 5.0 and 8.5 are less favorable. This indicates that soil pH is one of the most important abiotic factors limiting the degradation of PAH. PAH biodegradability can be improved through bioavailability. The rate and level of PAH biodegradation is directly proportional to bioavailability, which will lead to successful bioremediation. Next, physical absorption of PAH is also one of the major factors affecting the persistence of chemicals, thus greatly influence the effectiveness of soil bioremediation efforts. The advantages of using bioremediation on PAH: in solid phase, it is cost efficient and low operating and maintenance costs. For bioreactor, it is the most rapid biodegradation kinetics. It can optimize the physiochemical conditions such as pH, dissolved oxygen, nutrients, and substrate bioavailability. Finally, the use of inoculants eases the removal of high molecular weight PAH, particularly where co-metabolism is involved. It results in the increasing rates of overall PAH removal. In conclusion, bioremediation can give good impact for the environment. If the world has not been introduced to this method, our future generation might not be able to breathe fresh air like how all of us are enjoying it now. Therefore, it is important for scientists to make more research and the government to play the part to spread awareness so that bioremediation can play a huge part in our life.